So the Children's Advocacy Center is a place where kids go to receive justice, healing, to improve their safety when a crime has been committed against them. We bring all the stakeholders together on the investigative sides and the different places where kids might interact. So our schools were a big part of this, coming together and identifying, could we be better trained and better responders?
So kind of square one, if you will, when a kid makes an outcry is we talk about trusted adults and safe adults, and we train our students to seek out those individuals. We know now that we have to define what that looks like, because oftentimes when a kid is abused, it is by what they perceive to be a trusted adult. But at school, when they have the courage to share something, then we initiate, of course, a report with Child Protective Services and law enforcement. And between the Advocacy Center, law enforcement, CPS, and us, it's a collaborative support system that's put in place for that kiddo and family.
One of the crimes that is underreported and underrepresented in the community is that of child sex trafficking. It's hard to believe something like that exists here, but it does, and we want to be able to better identify it and respond appropriately when it does happen. And so there was an initiative statewide to improve the responses at identifying kids and helping recover them. Denton County was one of those early responders, and the Advocacy Center was a leader in that.
We know in school, the kid has the courage to share with us what is happening, and then we have to trust a partner to take it from there. We have to trust our partners to wrap that student up and that family and ensure that they get all they need so that they have that promised future.
The Children's Advocacy Center responded to more child sexual abuse crimes in 2022 than we had in our 25-year history. The numbers on it aren't 1 and 2 a year anymore. We're now coordinating the cases of over 100 kids in this community who've experienced child sex trafficking. If you look at this room full of people here today, there's 200, 300 people in the room. That means 1 out of every 2 or 3 of you would be at risk for child sex trafficking. That's pretty staggering when you think about it.
Coming from a school setting, it helps us to sleep at night, knowing that when that kid trusts us, that we get to pass them to an entity that we trust as well. And that is really rewarding for me, because that's part of the battle that we're fighting.
One of our key initiatives is to invite more people to the table. We're looking for people to get involved with us. And the types of volunteers that are welcomed here every day are folks that want to get involved. They want to be a champion for kids. They may look on the website and find a place that is the perfect fit for their skills. Maybe they're going to join our board. Maybe they're going to be an ambassador in the community. Maybe they're going to do a drive for us for Christmas. There are so many ways to get plugged in. You just have to reach out to us and let us know what your special talent is, and we will deploy it. It's going to take all of us to solve the problem of child abuse in this community. We can't do it alone, and we can't leave it on the backs of our first responders.